Meaning of inimitable.
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 Inimitable. The word inimitable describes something that is unique and impossible to imitate or replicate. It suggests that the thing in question possesses qualities, traits, or characteristics that are so distinctive and exceptional that they cannot be duplicated by anyone or anything else. A person might be described as having an inimitable sense of style, while a work of art might be called inimitable due to its originality and creativity. Essentially, when something is inimitable, it stands out as truly one of a kind and incomparable to anything else.